I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin aggressively. Take high-damage weapon and a single healing item, then use mobility tools to claim cover. Once in position, bait minions to thin adds and pull King Wawa toward a choke point so you control positioning. Make sure to conserve stamina and cooldowns for the first phase, because the opening burst decides tempo. The aim is to trade minimal health for maximum boss pressure. Keep repositioning after each burst to deny his counterattacks. You now transition into steady execution. Concentrate on the glowing crown to exploit a damage multiplier. Maintain a 60-40 DPS support, split so heals and shields keep everyone afloat. Once done rotating, focus interruptions. Watch his charge wind up animation, and use short stuns or interrupts during the half-second window to stop devastating attacks. Make sure to alternate high-damage combos with defensive moves to avoid being overwhelmed. This balance prevents wipes and chips away at his health reliably. You push for the finish when King Wawa drops below 20% health. Trigger all remaining cooldowns and a coordinated finisher to burst him down before regeneration kicks in. Once done, secure 2 escape routes and 1 safe healing spot so you can recover if the attempt fails. If the boss resists staggering or the team keeps getting locked out, make a full retreat, regroup for a clean reset, swap tactics, and re-enter. This reset often resolves timing or position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.